Okay, this one says Jenny studied the characteristics of two species of bacteria. The number of bacteria, um, specimen A of T, after T hours is represented by the function A of T equal, that's a poorly written question, or statement, equals 5 plus 0.25 T cubed. The number of bacteria species B of T, after T hours is represented by the function B of T equals 2 plus 8 times 1.06 raised to the T. So it says which function describes the difference of the bacteria N after both N of T after both hours. So when they say difference, like we don't know if we're subtracting A from B or B from A. But the general rule of thumb is you go in the order that they presented. So what we're going to do is we're going to say A of T minus B of T. So I'm going to say 5 plus 0.25, and we're going to put that in parentheses, put the T here, raised to the 3, okay? Minus all this stuff, which is B, 2 plus 8 times 1.06 raised to the T. Now, this is like a -1, so I'm going to distribute that through the parentheses, so that gives me a -2, and then -1 times this gives me a -8, and then everything else stays the same. And then over here, I've got 5 plus, in parentheses, 0.25 T cubed. Now, really, the only thing that we have that combine is the 5 and the -2. Okay. Everything else is really kind of a different term, right? Those are the only two like terms. So then 5 minus 2 is just 3. Plus, we're going to say, I'll put a 0. Some kids are like, why don't you put the 0? It doesn't matter, but it's okay. We'll write it down this way. And then minus 8 times the quantity, 1.06 times T. And, oops. I think that's it. Let me double check. Yep,